from the Korea Republic.
2025 WTT 프랑크푸르트 챔피언십 남자 단식 16강전. 대한민국의 투지왕 안재현, 일본 신성 마츠시마 히라쿠와 맞붙습니다. 세계 15위 안재현, 끈질기고 저돌적인 플레이로 동메달을 거머쥔 자존심. 체력 부담 큰 마츠시마를 상대로 진정한 서력에 도전합니다. 서브와 강력한 초반 공격, 흔들림 없는 투혼. 이게 바로 한국 탁구의 힘. 왼손잡이 마츠시마는 빠른 볼과 템포 조절이 강점. 7세트 분투 끝에 아쉬웠던 지난 패배. 오늘은 다릅니다. 안재현, 이번엔 꼭 이길 수 있을까요? 결과가 궁금해집니다.
Engineer that situation to do early on for An Jae-hyun.
4.
There, just a technical call. We'll come back to that once we get to a little breather.
Covering it. And obviously you're not allowed to cover the ball at any point.
With a power.
Varying everything he's doing, the spin, the power, the placement, and his service as well.
The storm a little bit here, if you slow him down.
Saw his forehand from dominating the rallies. Yes, definitely. Sten was out of position. Serve, serving with purpose. There he goes.
Throwing this thing from his Japanese opponent.
He's letting An Jae-hyun get in.
See there when he steps into the table, the guy
At him, and he just slowed it down. A little getting used to his rhythm of.
buckles literally there.
And then he goes, okay, I'm going to let you open up.
He's a heavily built young man, but he's very light on his...
Really strong looking legs that helps him get so much power.
As a bold play if you're An Jae-hyun.
Yeah, at your own.
A two-game lead.
Holding him off.
15 points. He's been a good friend of his.
That one.
Who's just been in his face from the get-go.
And he's getting to get in. He's using it.
Boom.
Aid shot.
Oh, blasted through it.
And that is impeccable play. An Jae-hyun to make a lot of errors on receive.
Such a long, long way to come out from the Korea Republic.
He goes for the big backhand.
Click with the backhand there. There's that serve that you like, 65% success rate. Fight match, the only time they ever previously met. This is a surprise. There's one side, obviously.
But I want a little bit of that, to have that sort of energy.
Got a smile on the face, rueful evening. He's hanging his head.
Who plays wide forehand. That with so much power, so much precision.
Incredible from in the Infinity Arena. Six match points for Solo Matsushima, who flicks the backhand, doesn't even have to...